4 quick geometry questions that kind of act as a reminder to read the question carefully. So pause the video, have a go in your own time. Okay, I'm going to have a go at it now. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? How do we work out the perimeter? We go all the way around the outside and measure how far it is. So in this case it would be 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. Doesn't matter what order you add them in, I've just kind of gone round in that order. Add them all together, that makes 16 centimetres. Let's have a look at the next one. Pause the video, have a go in your own time. What is the area of this rectangle? Okay, to work out an area, that would be width times height. So that would be 5 times 3, which is 15 centimetres. That's how I do it in an exam, by the way, 16 centimetres squared. That's how I do it in an exam, just to show my working, show the equation as well. Make sure I get the marks. Have a go in your own time. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? Okay, well you have to start at one point, or at least this is the method I use, and I go all the way around the outside. So that would be 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2, which is 18 centimetres. By the way, in case you're wondering, I could write the numbers on there if I like. I kind of knew that's what it was. That was what it was because it said rectangle, so I didn't bother writing it on, but I could have done. Last question. What's the area of this rectangle? Okay, area equals width times height, which is 7 times 2, which is 14 centimetres squared. There we go. Thanks for watching.